Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device if you set yourself a PIN, password or pattern and forget it. So what you have to do now is to hold down power key, tap power off, and after your device turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds at the same time, and just hold them. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. When you see this menu, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Select the second option, wipe data, and then select wipe all data and confirm. Data wiped successfully. And after that, select option reboot to restart your device, and it will be restarted in a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.